Students now come to the religious life of Janpadas and Mahajanpadas. The Brahmins continued to dominate the social and religious life. As the religious rites and rituals became expensive and complicated, the Kshatriyas too sought to study the scriptures in search of new rituals and rites. A change in language was perceptible, as the Brahmins spoke Sanskrit while the common people preferred to speak Pali and Prakrit. Due to these reasons, Buddhism and Jainism prospered since their sacred texts were written in Pali. Now, economic life, trade and occupations. Many new trades and occupations emerged, and the people engaged in them were attributed those occupations as their caste dictated. Artisans and craftsmen organized themselves into guilds. Many craftsmen and traders moved to towns and cities. Similarly, a large number of people joined the army. With the introduction of coinage, trade prospered. Settlements came up near market centers, and these later developed into cities. Patliputra, Ayodhya, Mathura and Vaishali were some important cities. Rivers were extensively used as trade routes. Sopara and Bharuch were important seaports. Major trade articles were silk, muslin, jewelry, perfumes, etc. Currency and measures. With the introduction of the coinage, the barter system was gradually phased out. The weights were in the multiple of 16. Agriculture. There were two major changes in agriculture around this time. One was the growing use of iron plowshares. This meant that heavy clay soil could be turned over better than with a wooden plowshare, so that more grain could be produced. Second, people began transplanting paddy. This meant that instead of scattering seed on the ground from which plants would sprout, saplings were grown and then planted in the fields. This led to increased production as many more plants survived. However, it was back-breaking work. Generally, slave men and women, dasas and dasis, and landless agricultural laborers had to do this work. Agriculture became the main source of revenue to the state. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, cotton, vegetable, and oil seeds were the main cultivated crops. Education. The Gurukul system of education of the later Vedic age continued in this period, and the important centers of learning were Ujjain, Takshila, Kashi and Patliputra. Patliputra, modern name is Patna, was a center of excellence in the spheres of education, art, culture and commerce.